Once you're done lining them up, it reveals a few guidelines in the taper, so I always go back and detail as much as possible. Here I'm using a little bit of clipper over comb so I can remove a little bit of bulk that I saw. Now that we're done lining them up, we can move on to our Turkish razor and Derber Premium blades and make them as crispy as possible. When you're using your razor, you want to make sure you stretch the skin as much as possible with your opposite hand and keep the razor at a 45-degree angle. This lowers the likelihood of you cutting someone. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show some extra support to the channel, you can leave a super thanks down below. Thank you. I always like doing the top of the eyebrows first and then doing the bottom. Gives me a better shape. Now that we're done with the beard, we can move on to our Turkish razor and Derber Premium blades, and we're going to make them as crispy as possible. But before we do that, we're going to apply some shave gel so that the razor could glide better. When you're using your razor, you want to stretch the skin as much as possible with your opposite hand and keep the razor at a 45-degree angle so you have a lesser chance of cutting someone. always make sure you go against the grain on the cheeks, especially if they can take it. If they can't, then don't do it. That can lead to ingrown hairs and scar tissue, so make sure you be careful. We're also going to clean up his eyebrows. You always want to keep them as natural as possible without sacrificing any crispiness. And then also you don't want to arch them too much because he is a guy. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you made it this far into the video, leave a comment down below of my subscriber count. Let's see who's really paying attention.